Now, what is the criteria for creating the subnets? Now, we have got two criteria for creating the subnet. Suppose we have got suppose C class address is there. Now, the first criteria is how many subnets are required. Suppose I've got in C class we have got 256 systems we can do the networking. Now, when I'm saying how many subnets, I'm saying I require 4 subnets. That means we can specify. Now what we will do to C class, because it is having 256 addresses, we are going to divide into 4 equal parts. That means each subnet will be having 64 systems. That means we can specify 4 subnets, or we can specify we need 2 subnets. And what is the another criteria? In another criteria, we do not specify how many subnets we require. We just say that we want 14 hosts per network. Then or 14 hosts, or we can specify we need 6 hosts per subnet or network we need. So we can specify 2 criteria. That means first is how many subnets are required. The another is we can specify how many hosts we want in a subnet. So let me give certain example. That means we can specify that we want 2 subnets. So we can specify in this way, or what we can do, we can specify we need 4 subnets, or what we can say, we need 8 subnets, or we need 16 subnets. Or the another criteria could be we need 120 hosts, or we need 60 hosts, and we need 30 hosts, or we need 14 hosts. Why we are not saying 32 hosts? Because we always know that 2 are reserved. That means if we have to want a 30 system to use, then actually our subnet should contain 32 hosts, because 2 will be reserved. We are going into great details in later videos, or we will be looking at detail what all this is about. Here just we want to stress on one point, that criteria for creating subnet is either you are going to specify we want so many subnets, or the other criteria is going to be we want so many hosts per subnet. That is whether it is A class address, whether it is B class address, whether it is C class address. So from next video onward, we first will try to subnet C class, then we will move towards the B class, and then we will be moving toward A class, and we will be discussing what this S bit is, H bit is there, what we have written here. We will be covering in detail in the next videos.